Gear up, auto fans. It's time for a countdown of the best engine oil that can keep your engine purring and performance peaking. We'll cover everything from synthetic to high mileage blends, highlighting what makes each option stand out in protection, efficiency, and value. We'll hear exactly what to look for, how it matches different engines, and which drivers benefit most. Today, I'm going to be going over the best engine oil that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Valvoline motor oil. This traditional conventional oil plays a central role for drivers who want dependable protection without the sticker shock that sometimes comes with premium synthetics. It blends a robust base oil with a balanced additive package designed to keep engines clean and to guard against wear over the course of typical service intervals. The detergents in this formulation are designed to suspend soot and varnish precursors, helping to keep carbon buildup down on piston crowns and in valve trains. Anti-wear agents form a protective film on critical surfaces such as cam lobes and bearing journals, reducing friction as heat and load rise during acceleration and highway cruising. Viscosity profile in a multi-grade conventional oil helps the oil pump reach the engine quickly during cold starts, then thickens enough to maintain a persistent lubricating film as temperatures climb. For modern engines, this kind of oil delivers reliable protection under everyday driving patterns, including short trips that otherwise would leave a glaze on cylinder walls if the oil did not circulate promptly. For older engines, the formula still benefits from strong deposit control, which helps prevent sludge pockets that can compromise engine efficiency and response. Price and availability make it a sensible choice for drivers who want straightforward maintenance without chasing every new synthetic trend. In practice, the engine response is smooth, with steady idle, predictable oil pressure, and consistent temperature management that keeps the cooling system synced with lubrication needs. This is the kind of product a family relies on when time between service visits is the main constraint, as it offers familiar protection with a broad compatibility footprint across many gas-powered cars. Paired to the Valvoline SynPower Zero W-20 synthetic motor oil, which I have included as number 4 on this list, this conventional formula delivers solid protection and cleanliness, but cannot match the winter start flexibility and film strength of a true synthetic in truly cold climates or at extreme engine loads. Engineers remind us that while the cost per quart is attractive, the real value sits in dependable protection across many miles, not flashes of performance that only show up in high-stress tests. For families on a budget, that sentence alone can carry a purchase decision because it translates into fewer visits to the shop, less oil consumption in typical city commuting, and the confidence that accompany a well-known lubrication brand. At number 4, we have the Valvoline SynPower Zero W-20 synthetic motor oil. This lightweight synthetic is engineered to reduce internal friction while preserving film strength when temperatures swing from freezing to roasting in the summer sun. The Zero W-20 viscosity is chosen to improve fuel economy by allowing the engine to spin up more freely during cold starts, then thin enough to circulate rapidly at operating temperature. Synthetic base stock provides excellent oxidation resistance, which means the oil resists thickening, sludge formation, and deposit buildup even after long service intervals or repeated short trips. Additive technology focuses on shear stability, protecting the oil from thinning out under high RPM and high load conditions found in turbocharged or direct-injected engines. The result is cleaner intake ports and pistons, reduced soot buildup in high-mileage engines, and steadier oil pressure across a wider range of ambient temperatures. Compatibility profile is broad, and many modern engines call for Zero W-20 as a recommended option for both fuel economy and emission system efficiency. In practical terms, drivers can expect smoother cold starts, crisper throttle response, and better highway efficiency thanks to lower drag within the engine. Extended drain intervals are often marketed with synthetic products. However, mileage and driving patterns still matter, and owners should follow manufacturer guidance for oil change timing. The product positions itself as a premium synthetic option for new car owners and for enthusiasts who want extra protection while pushing engines to their design limits. Paired to the Valvoline MaxLife, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the SynPower Zero W-20 focuses more on cold start performance and fuel economy, whereas the MaxLife emphasizes seal protection and high mileage corrective measures. At number 3, we have the Valvoline MaxLife. This high mileage formula is engineered for engines that have accrued miles and show signs of wear on seals, gaskets, and piston rings. It includes a dedicated seal conditioner package designed to restore and maintain the pliability of rubber and polymer surfaces that often shrink, crack, or leak as engines age. Deposit control additives help mitigate varnish formation and sludge that can accumulate in crankcase volumes as oil ages. especially in engines with longer drain intervals or repeated short trips. Advanced detergents support piston cleanliness, which helps maintain optimal compression and fuel efficiency when the engine is under load. The viscosity formulation is chosen to preserve film strength at typical highway speeds, while still allowing for reliable cold weather startup thanks to a multi-grade base. High-mileage oils often show better oil consumption management, and the MaxLife line is known for improving performance over time as it interacts with aged engines. Compatibility notes emphasize use in a wide range of older or high-mileage engines, though owners should adjust oil change intervals if the vehicle has been remapped for performance. In real-world terms, you may notice smoother idling after a few hundred miles, less oil seepage into the combustion chamber, and more consistent oil pressure across temperature swings. Paired to the Valvoline MaxLife, which I have included as number 2 on this list, this version remains focused on sealing and deposit control, offering a similar DNA but with a slightly stronger emphasis on engine breathing space and long-term sealing durability. At number 2, we have the Valvoline MaxLife. This variant continues the high-mileage philosophy with a focus on long-term protection in synthetic form. Engine wear is addressed by advanced anti-wear additives that form protective films on cam lobes and crank journals, while antioxidation components keep acids at bay and prevent oil viscosity from breaking down under heat. Synthetic base stock improves low-temperature pumpability and helps maintain proper oil flow even in cold starts, which is especially helpful for winter driving while protecting seals and hoses with an optimized polymer balance. Formulation also includes effective deposit control agents to minimize varnish buildup on oil passages, tumble clean combustion chambers, and deliver more consistent engine response as miles accumulate. Drain intervals may be extended in many cases, provided service history and engine condition support longer cycles, though owners should always follow vehicle manufacturer guidance. In everyday terms, drivers may notice smoother takeoffs, steadier oil pressure across a wide temperature range, and reduced oil consumption when the engine has accumulated thousands of miles. Compared to the advanced full synthetic motor oil, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the MaxLife line emphasizes practical sealing and long-term mileage protection, often at a more accessible price point while still delivering robust performance. At number 1, we have the Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil. This premium synthetic is built around a high-purity base stock and a carefully engineered additive package designed to deliver top-tier oxidation resistance, thermal stability, and film strength under demanding conditions. Synthetic formulation maintains viscosity more consistently than conventional oils, keeping oil pressure steadier during rapid accelerations and sustained high RPM driving, while also resisting breakdown when subjected to heat cycles in turbocharged engines or high-performance applications. Friction modifiers work with detergents and antioxidants to minimize wear, reduce piston deposits, and help the engine sustain peak efficiency over longer periods between service events. Engine cleanliness is supported by advanced dispersants that trap soot and keep varnish from forming in crevasses and creosotes within the combustion chamber. The oil stability allows for reliable cold starts in winter and steady performance in hot summer conditions, and its broad compatibility covers a wide range of modern engines and OEM specifications. In daily use, owners report quicker lubrication on startup, improved throttle response, and consistent oil pressure even after long highway hauls. Compared to the Valvoline motor oil, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the advanced full synthetic delivers superior oxidation resistance, temperature stability, and film strength.